Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you, I'm going to try and pick this. A Viro or Viro rim cylinder. 5-pinner. Nice little cylinder we have here. So let's get them in the vise. Wrong way up, I know. Right, it's upside down, but hey ho, it's the only way I can do it. And use Peterson pry bar on it. And a Peterson Dead Forest Diamond. So light to moderate tension, straight to the back of the lock. Haven't gutted this before. I had a couple of goes at picking it, I must admit. This isn't the first time I've encountered this one. Oh, actually, before I do that, show the keys. I do have keys for this one. Here they are. Lovely ups and downs on that one, so I'll show you in working order first. So it's only fair. There we go. Working nicely. It's only catching because it's catching, the cam's catching on the vise, but there it is. So locked up. Right. Let's try and get this thing picked open. So yeah, back of the lock. Feel through. Try and set that pin, and then go. I mean, that pin tends to be the most, the one you can be the most vicious with, and then it's just literally tap tap tap, and boom, open. So there it is. Cam, move in, core. So let's get this thing gutted and see what's in it. Sorry, picking juice. Let's move him out of the way. Don't need that. We'll need the keys. Like I said, I have had a little bit of a practice with this one. Most of the evening watching other videos, to be fair. Right. Let's get him there. Screwdriver. Get that back off. And there's one. There's two. And little screwdriver. Lovely. Get in there. There you go. Lever him off. So that's that. Keys. Plug follower. Nice one. Thank you, Foxy, for cat imaging. This one, hopefully. Look at that. Works perfect. Like a dream. So, there we go. Key does work. Key pin's all there. Let's get at it. Was it a 5-pinner, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. So, start from there. Come on. Ooh. So, see. 1. And 2. 3. Come out. Don't be shy. 4. And 5. In the core, let's try and focus a bit on that. Nothing going on. No count milling, no beveling, no threading, nothing. So that's that one out of the way. Pins, just all standards. Nice. but standards. So we'll look at number 2. Yeah, like I say, nice but standards. So let's have a look in this end. Yeah, we'll do it that way. Focus. We have got a spool in one. I'll focus a little bit better on these later on. A spool in 2. There's going to be a bit of a pattern here, I think. A spool in 3. Spool in 4. And we're going to get another spool. Look at that, jam packed full of spools. A spool in 5. Let's take the pins out, because the springs, I think they're all going to, well, should be all the same. Oh, they're diddy little things. Pinged them across the room. I'll show you one of the springs. Diddy little things these are. Oh, never seen one that small before. That's what she said. Get those out. Get those all lined up. You can have a good look. In the Bible, nothing at all, normal, just standard Bible. The only thing I will say is, because I've played with this, you can, the bitting does play, there's a bitting again, does play a decent part in it. With this one, obviously the spools will help tie you up a bit if you're not used to them. But yeah, the key bitting, if you got the pick wrong on it and overset a lot, then it would cause you serious issues like oversetting. You'd have to drop back. I did find if I overset, say 3 pins, or actually the best time I did it was overset 2, dropped back the 2 I'd overset. It actually did drop into a really nice falset, and then I just had to go and touch 1 pin and I was in. But yeah, there we go. Here are the key pins and the drivers. So standards in all the key pins and spools in all the drivers. Nice little springs in the top. Not very heavy spring tension. Still a fun pick. So that's the Viro rim cylinder picked. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.